In this video, I'm going to show you some completely free and uncensored AI tools that you should definitely know about and how to use them. These tools have no paywall at all, and they can still create ultra-realistic images and videos. The first tool is fully free and gives you a lot of freedom while generating content. The second tool is also 100% free, and you can use it without limits to make content for social media and earn from it. So, if you want to check out these amazing tools, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. The first AI tool we're going to test is called Perchance AI. As you can see, the interface is very clean and simple, so it's easy for anyone to use. Here you'll find the prompt description box, and below that you can see different art styles along with other settings. Now let me show you how powerful this tool really is. For my prompt, I used this one here. Then from the art style section, I selected cinematic. For the shot type, I chose landscape. After that, I clicked on generate, and here is the result. You can see it created 6 different images, and honestly, they look really impressive. You can also switch the art style to casual photo if you want more realistic looking pictures. So, I changed the style to casual photo, clicked generate again, and the final image looked just like a real girl's selfie. Another thing you can do is lower the number of generated images. I changed mine from 6 to 3. Then I used an advanced POV selfie shot prompt. After pasting the prompt, I clicked generate, and this was the result. As you can see, the image looks extremely realistic, and the quality is honestly very impressive. Now, let's move to the next free AI tool called Qwen AI. The interface looks a bit similar to ChatGPT, but when it comes to creating visuals like images and videos, this tool actually performs really well. You can see there are many different features available, such as deep research, image generation, video generation, web search, slide creation, and more. First, let's test the image generation feature. For the prompt, I used something like this here. Then I selected the aspect ratio and clicked on generate. After waiting for a short time, this was the result. As you can see, the image turned out very high quality and looks extremely realistic. Under the image, you also get more options like turning it into a video, editing the image, downloading it, or even publishing it. So next, I tested the image editing feature. In the prompt, I changed the girl's hair color to blue and switched the background to a forest. Then I clicked generate, and this was the final result. You can see the edit came out very smooth and clean, and honestly, it looks really impressive. After that, I tried the image to video feature using this prompt. Once I clicked generate, the video result turned out really nice. The motion looked smooth and the quality was great. You can continue using this tool again and again. That's it for today's video. If you want me to share more free AI tools like these, then comment more free tools below, and I'll bring more totally free, uncensored, and unlimited AI websites for you.